like you said in Hong Kong, these companies have issues. The moment they have issues, we are moving on. So if the issue is with the people, I'm definitely not interested. So if you notice the Sunteck and Rain Industries, the people are very high quality. Okay, I don't have governance issues or anything with the people. They are very high quality people. The businesses are, it is possible now, like I'll give you the example of Sunteck. The guy who is the promoter of Sunteck, he owns 68% of the company. So if it has a $1 billion value, his family has 680 million in wealth in the company. So one of the questions I have is, he's in India, 680 million is a lot of money in India, right? It would be like 680 million in China. So one of my questions is this guy going to still keep working hard, right? Because it's a lot of money, right? And I have to make the assessment. And my assessment with him was, yeah, because I talked to him. I said, listen, your company is $1 billion. Do you have aspirations for it to be 10 billion? He said, yes. I said, what are you going to do with the money? He said, I had not thought about that. But he wants to drive, right? He wants to drive. Now, doesn't mean he'll get there, but at least he needs to have some ambition to go there. The same thing with Rain. I'm convinced that he has zero interest in money. I think Rain, the family owns 40% of about 500 million. So their family has about 200 odd million today, but they don't care about that. They just want to keep going. So so I think it is true that a lot of small companies will never become big companies. It is true that if you have governance issues with the people, I think you should just take a pass, because I think that then you're playing uphill battle and such. But as long as you can find the business economics are good and the people are good and the value is low, then we can make something happen. And the good thing with investing is there are so many stocks that one of my commandments was to be unreasonable. Okay? So many other stocks that if everything is not perfect, just say no, toss it. Go to the next one. Again, say no, toss it. So keep tossing. Be a harsh grader. And that'll generally work out well.